If you're trying to decide between Make.com and Zapier for automating your daily tasks, here's the key difference explained in a clear and simple way. Zapier is built for speed and simplicity. So we create workflows called Zaps, which follow a straight step-by-step path. It's super beginner friendly, no need to know any tech. You pick up a trigger, add a few actions, and you're done. Great for small businesses, creators, or anyone who just needs to automate basic tasks quickly. But when you start needing any more complex automations like multiple conditions, different branches, or integrations that depend on logic, Zapier starts to feel limited. You either pay more to unlock feature or hit workflow walls. Now let's talk about Make.com. Make uses a visual builder that shows your automation flow like a diagram. You can connect multiple apps, split workflows using routers, loop through data, and apply filters, all in a single scenario. It's way more flexible than Zapier and gives you more control. Yes, Make can feel a little overwhelming at first, but once you get used to it, the freedom and customizations are next level. It's perfect for users who want to scale their automation without switching tools later. So the key difference, Zapier is faster to learn and launch. Make is more powerful and scalable long term. Pick Zapier if you're just getting started and want things simple. Pick Make.com if you want full creative control over your automations and don't mind a slightly steeper learning curve. If this breakdown helped you make a choice, hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more clear no code tutorials like this.